Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to use some of the new products from the Happy Planner to decorate a spread. So I have a new horizontal planner and sticker books that are actually, there's an artist that designed these, so that's always cool whenever you see somebody else's name on the product. Then this is a fun collab with an artist. So we have Kristen Rosas. So that is the artist that made all these really adorable stickers and designs. This collection is really cute. If you like seasonal stuff, you're gonna want to check out this collection. There's also tons of other products. I have flip throughs. I have 2 videos of flip throughs of the spring collection that I received from the Happy Planner. Also some fun Powerpuff Girls and Disney Best Pals, little Best Pals collection too. So check those out if you haven't already. My affiliate link is down in the description if you want to buy something. But I just wanted to use these books because they're cute. And this planner, I love decorating a horizontal planner. I don't use a horizontal planner anymore. I wish I had a reason to use it, but I don't really need one. I used to though. And I always love decorating this planner, so I like to just decorate it, and then I'll give these pages to patrons over my Patreon because I send them Happy Mail, and I'll just stick in decorated spreads for them to use. So it's a win-win. I get to have fun decorating a spread, and then they get to enjoy using a spread. And then also, maybe if they haven't used a Skinny Classic before, it'll, you know, give them a little taste of that. But this layout's really, really cute. If you're looking for a planner that has a little bit more decor, because I know some people complain about that in the comments. Me personally, I love neutral, but I understand that some people want to have a little bit more fun color in their planner. This one definitely checks that box. This one is seasonal, so every section is going to be different, which that's even more fun. It's not the same thing over and over again. Each month it changes. So check this collection out if this fits your vibe. But I'm just going to take these sheets out and decorate. I just took the first ones from this July section. This is a July start planner. So I'm just gonna make a theme that fits, or decorate a theme that fits this, what's already on the page, since this is already set up for summer. And we got some strawberries here, so I can kind of play off of that. And then just use some of these stickers. So, fun summer spread. Okay, so let's have fun with this. Let's see. Maybe put some boxes down. All right, so I want to get this one down first. Just notes and plans. Let's do, I'm going to do this one up here. Okay, and then we'll do this one down here. A couple boxes. All right, these are really good, these little noted ones. I'll add a couple of these. Let's see what colors I want to use. I think this one. Okay, so I'm going to put a noted, I think I want it here actually. And then I'll put one over here. Yeah. Okay, we'll put this one. Actually, I want to put it here over this note section. All right, and then we also have some stickers. So I can take some of these stickers and layer them with these boxes. So I'm going to take this red one and do a little layering, get it done. And then I'll do the same, a similar thing over here, but not with this box. I'm gonna grab another box. Okay, let's do this pink one, maybe. I'm not a fan. I wish they wouldn't put so many of these monthly boxes down. They put a lot of monthly boxes in their books. I wish they wouldn't though, because I don't know. I get it, but I prefer if they didn't. But I always want to cover this up so make it functional. But then again, I don't like the 2 words next to, oh, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it. That's what I'm going to do. I didn't cut it the best, but we're going to cover up that part that I didn't cut the nicest. All right, so that makes it better for me, at least for what I need it to be. All right, so we're gonna put this one here, and then I'll just layer this box on top. So yeah, that's like a little easy fix you could do. All right, and I'm gonna come back with some more functional stickers, but I kind of want to just focus on some decorative ones right now. So let's see, I think, okay, so this book is a little mixture of everything you might need for a spread. So it has functional and then decorative stickers, but I think I want to focus on this one. This one's just decorative, which I love. I love a all decorative book. So what do I want to do? Should I just make it food? Well, this one's going to be a food spread. I was thinking of bringing in the dogs, but I'm going to save those for another kind of spread. But in this one, we will just focus on food. So we have strawberries and then also foods and flowers, maybe? Kind of like the flowers. So we got strawberries and then the cherries. I love the cherries. Okay, let's see how I can add these in. A little cherry here and there, maybe. Oh, I went too low. Too low. I didn't want to cover the date. Okay, a cherry there. Let me add another cherry on this side. Okay, and then I think I do want some of the flowers. I really like these. I'll be bringing in foil. I think that's fine. Okay, we're gonna stick one here. And stick another flower down. I'm gonna stick it over here, kind of with all these berries. And then okay, and then I could stick down some more of the strawberries, and then also a quote maybe. They're kind of big though. I have this will be a good year. I could fit it here. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this over a bit. Okay, at least I got a quote down, so that's good. I could stick some more strawberries down. These are kind of big. Let's see. I do like these little dots. That's a little bit of color, which I like. Add some red ones. And some blue ones. I feel like I need blue over here. Okay. I have these strawberries. Did I have ice creams? Oh, I have these ice creams. This one's so cute. Should I stick ice creams down too? I do have this ice cream. It's technically for the 4th of July side, but that's okay. We're gonna go with it. I stick it here. Also, I'm gonna grab some more functional stickers. Oh, and then I had these little washi ones. Should I stick some of these down? Maybe. Okay, let me go get some more decorative stickers. All right, so let's do this ice cream. Little sticker over here, and this one, the strawberry one. Oh, and then I have these. I have some color with these. Okay, I feel like I need more blue on this side, so I'm gonna do a blue one. Oop, what's happening? Why can't I grab it? Okay, there it goes. Just do it here. It's a very eclectic kind of spread. Let's do red. Need this kind of red over here. But it's fun. I like all the colors. The colors are fun. Okay, and then maybe I can do, there were some little boxes like these. These are good. So I'll stick some of these on the spread too. Like I feel like I need one over here on Monday. We could do like 2. I'm gonna focus on these 2 colors because these don't really work for what I'm using. We're gonna stack these 2 here. Although I feel like this actually is better down here. Yeah. I just feel like it looks empty down here. Alright. And then I'll stick one of these over here just to get one. I always like to do the same kind of elements on each side. Okay, I think I want to do another one of these over here because it looks a little empty there. So let's do one of those. Maybe pink, yes. Okay. I think it's fun. It's a fun spread. Okay, I think I want to maybe stick some more strawberries down. I did grab all the functional stuff that I wanted. Well, I could have gone in here too and pulled these, but that's okay. Okay, let's go have these. Maybe over here. I feel like I need something here, so I'm gonna focus on that area. Maybe flowers, more flowers. I don't know how this will look. Is that too much? I feel like that's too much. Maybe if I have it coming down the page. If I don't like it, I could always take it off, but I just feel like it looks empty up here. Okay, I think that kind of works. No, okay. I think that's good there. Maybe I can do something similar. Over here. Actually, no. Let's maybe, sorry, I'm having to like stand up and look at it. I don't know why I always get a better view from it on top. So, could put more of these little dots. Oh, you know what? I think I have one left of these. I could use it here. Yeah, okay. Just to get something there so it doesn't look so empty. More function is always good, so. Okay, let's take this one. Place it here. Okay. that looks pretty good. Okay. Yeah, this is just a fun kind of spread. I probably wouldn't make this kind of spread for myself, to be honest, but I just wanted to do something a little different. It's very, like, I don't know. I just had fun with it. It's a fun spread. I think it's cute. And it's very functional, so that's good. So yeah, there's a lot of functional stickers in here. Honestly, I feel like definitely these two paired together is a good buy because I like all the decorative stickers in here, but I also really like the good functional stickers in here. And I feel, I don't know, honestly, I don't think there are enough decorative stickers in here that I like to make a complete spread. Like if I just used this sticker book, I probably would have struggled with it, especially if I was doing a vertical, like a classic size spread. This is a little bit easier because it's just a skinny classic. But if I would have been doing a larger classic spread or a big spread, I don't think there were as many stickers in here for me to pull, at least for me. So I like the combination of these two. I hope they do more of these kind of decorative books in the future because I think this is a great option, especially if you have a lot of functional stickers already in your collection and you just need more decorative. I feel like that's where I am, at least when it comes to my sticker books. I have a lot of functional sticker books, but I just want decorative stickers. So I like this option a lot. So yeah, I feel like if you get this one, you definitely should get this one, but if you just get this one, I think you could be fine just buying this book. And then if you have some box sticker books like from Jojo or from KellofaPlan, you could totally combine those books with this one. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be my spread. It's fun. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know down in the comments if you picked up anything from this new spring release. Let me know. I'd love to hear what you got. I'm really excited for the Powerpuff Girls. I can't wait to use that in April. I'll be for sure making an April spread using those stickers. I'm really excited for that. But there are a lot of great sticker books and planners and really cool stuff that released in this collection, so definitely check it out. Link is down in the description. All right, so that's gonna be it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.